So, good evening again, sir. This is my activity on how to proper way for running a full system scan with reputable antivirus and anti-malware. So, first is click the Windows, then Settings, then Update and Security. Then click the Windows Security. Then virus and threat protection. Then click the quick scan. As you can see, it took time to scan the threats and virus in your laptop. As you can see, sir, the current rate is 0 found, then scan less than 7 minutes and 26 seconds. And that's all, sir. Thank you.